Hello everyone. Have you ever looked at an old photo and thought, where exactly did I take this? The good news is, if your phone saved the photo's GPS location, you can view the exact place on a map in just a few taps. In this video, I'll show you how to enable this feature, how to check if a photo contains location information, and how to view the exact location using both your camera gallery applications and Google Photo. So let's get started. First, your camera needs permission to save the location where when taking photos. So open the camera application first. Go to camera settings. Look for an option such as location, save location, or location text, or geo-tagging. The name and location of these settings may look different on your phone depending on your brand and the camera application you are using. Most Android phones support this feature, but different manufacturers use different names and layout. Right now I am using Samsung Galaxy A35 smartphone. So the camera in the camera setting, the option is called location text. So just tap on this radio button to enable it, and again turn on. Allow the camera permissions by turning on. After turn on the location on the camera settings. Now let's take a quick photo after enabling the location feature. Before you take the photo, first make sure you have turned on location service. So here I have already turned on the location on my Android device. So now let's go back to the camera application and take a quick picture. Remember, location information is added only to photo taken after this feature is enabled. Older photos won't automatically get a location. Now open your gallery application. Select the photo you just captured. Tap the details or info, or simply swipe up on the photo. Depending on your camera gallery application, you may see a small map, an address, or GPS coordinates. As you can see here in my mobile, it is showing as a small map. If a map appears, tap it. Your phone will open the location on the map, allowing you to see exactly where the photo was taken. The appearance may look different on different brands, but the steps are generally similar. Now let's check the same photo using Google Photos. Open Google Photos, select the photo, swipe up or tap the information icons. If the photo contains GPS information, you will see a location selections with a small map. Tap the map. Google Photo will display the exact location where the picture was taken, and you can open it in a Google Map to explore the area, get directions, or save the location. If no map or location appears, one of these may be the reason. Camera location was turned off when the photo was taken. The camera application did not have location permission. The photo was downloaded from the internet. The photo was received from someone else. The sharing apps remove the photo GPS metadata. Without GPS metadata, your phone cannot determine where the photo was taken. Now you know how to enable your camera's location feature and view the exact place where a photo was taken using both your gallery apps and Google Photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this